You know, I used to think a clean home was all about looks, but over time I realized it's really about how the space makes you feel. It's walking into a room and instantly feeling lighter. It's starting your morning without the chaos of yesterday staring back at you. And no, it doesn't require scrubbing for hours. Just a few simple habits, repeated every day, can bring peace, order, and comfort. Here are 12 things I do every day to keep my home clean, calm, and ready, whether I'm expecting guests or just enjoying a quiet cup of tea. The first thing I do is reset my bedroom before I leave it. Before breakfast, I make the bed, toss any clothes in the hamper, and straighten up the nightstand. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to feel finished. It's a way to start the day with clarity and calm. Next, I clear the sink every night. There's something defeating about waking up to a pile of dirty dishes. So I clean up right after dinner. And I always wipe down the sink. That 5 minutes gives me a fresh start the next morning. Every afternoon, I do a quick sweep of the entryway, kitchen, and hallway. Not deep cleaning, just a refresh. It keeps dust, dirt, and crumbs from taking over. A little effort goes a long way. Instead of waiting for laundry day, I do one small load each day. Towels, shirts, or whatever needs attention. I fold it during a show or while chatting on the phone. It never piles up, and it never overwhelms me. I also open the windows for 10 minutes every morning, even when it's chilly. Letting in fresh air clears out stale energy and brightens the mood of the whole home. It's one of my favorite daily rituals. I make a habit of wiping down just a few key areas: the kitchen counter, the bathroom faucet, the remote control. It takes less than 5 minutes, but it keeps the home feeling clean every single day. Everything in my home has a place. Glasses go in their case, keys in the dish, mail on the tray. When everything has a home, nothing becomes clutter. Speaking of mail, I sort it the moment I walk in. Junk goes in the bin, bills go where they belong, notes or invitations go to my desk. I never let it stack up, and it saves me stress later. I also keep a small cleaning caddy in a cabinet near the kitchen. It holds a cloth, spray bottle, and duster. If I notice a spill or smudge, I take care of it right away. No delay, no dread. Each night before bed, I do a 5-minute reset in the living room. I fold the blanket, fluff the pillows, and straighten the books. It's like putting the house to sleep, and it makes the next morning feel smooth. I also dust one small surface each day. One day it's the TV stand, the next day it's a windowsill. One little task at a time, and everything stays clean without ever becoming a big job. And last, I take time to enjoy the home I've cared for. Whether it's sitting down with a cup of tea, lighting a candle, or turning on music, I let myself be present. Because a clean home isn't just about order, it's about creating a space that feels good to live in. These 12 habits don't take much time, but together, they create a sense of calm and control that stays with me all day. If any of these habits spoke to you, I'd love to hear which ones you do or want to try. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more ways to feel good in your home every single day.